Hi, my name is Jack Allemang. I am the oldest son of Merle and Joan Allemang. I'm presently managing the farm since my dad's passed away. My dad had a fetish for John Deere 70 tractors. It's one of the tractors that I grew up on and learned how to farm with. At present, there's 25 plus 70s here, ranging from some real good ones that run to some that need lots of attention to probably some of them that will end up in the salvage yard.
Incidentally, this sale will be held on Merle's birthday. It would be Merle's 93rd birthday if he was alive.
He loved to farm and worked hard all his life.
If you have any questions, you can either call Jack, Dan, or Nancy, and they can answer your questions.